Hi, Mume here. Already. This is how fast this snow is coming down. I'm in the house this time because it was just too windy. It was blowing in my eyes. I couldn't see. That's the house next door. We have a right about here. We have a 3 foot high mound with the cat sitting on top, relaxing. That's where we have our cats and dogs buried under that. That mound is covered. So right here is over 3 feet. Up there is probably about 4 feet. And it's coming down at the rate of about 2 to 3 inches an hour. Okay, bye.